All right, let's do some Mathity-Math. It says here, robo-mouse is standing at point A, 9, 6. Robo-mouse has been programmed to walk directly to his rendezvous that is located at point B, 1926. Okay, so we got a robot mouse that's programmed to go to a rendezvous. So it says first, find the equation of robo-mouse's path. Right. Okay. So it's a straight line. So when we do straight lines, we like to work in a slope-intercept form. That's great. Okay, y equals mx plus b. Y is just any y value along the line. X is just any x value along that line. And then m is your slope, and then b is your y-intercept. So when we try to solve these, we got to solve for our slope and our y-intercept. That's the way to go, okay? So looking at this, a strong move here is first let's find that slope. And to find the slope, we just remember that slope is equal to the change in the y values over the change in the x values. Okay, the way we find that is you can just take a or b, all right? So like let's say with a, the a value was 9. The x value of a was 9, and the x value of b was 19. So we're just going to subtract those and find the difference, right? So x minus x. And then we'll go up here and we'll do the y's. We'll just say 6 minus 26. And if you chose to do 26 minus 6 and 19 minus 9, that would also work. You'd get to the same end result, okay? So 6 minus 26, well, that's going to be negative 20. And 9 minus 19, well, that's going to be negative 10. Negative 20 divided by negative 10, that's just a positive 2. Okay, so now we know our slope is 2. So if you were building this at this point, you say, all right, so now I know I got y equals 2x plus b, and you're cooking. So now we just got to find this b value. And we can find this b value, a pretty straightforward process. You can insert either one of these, and you'll find your y-intercept. B is your y-intercept, okay? So you can either choose to put in a 9 for the x and a 6 for the y, or you could put in a 26 for the x and a 19 for the y. I'm going to choose the smaller numbers just because, the math is a bit easier. So I'll go 6 is 2 times my x value is 9 plus b, okay? So that comes around to 6 is 18 plus b. And if I subtract 18 from both sides, I'd find that b is negative 12. And so now I just take that b value, I stick it there, and I'd have my answer. Oops, let's redirect that arrow. Shoop, there, the one with the slope. Yeah, put it there. So we'd say y is 2x minus 12. And there you go. That equation would chart the line or chart the path of robo-mouse because he's walking in a straight line, okay? So then it says, okay, there is a thick slice of robo-cheese. Okay, I guess makes sense, right? Robo-mouse would eat robo-cheese. And this cheese is located at point C, which is 15, 18. And it says, prove whether or not robo-mouse will intercept the cheese. Okay, so the idea here is that if he would intercept the cheese, that would mean that this point is in fact on this line. And the way you test this is actually pretty straightforward. You just take this line and you substitute in 15 for x and 18 for y. And you'll see how this takes place. Watch. So instead of y, I write 18, right, equals 2 times 15 minus 12. And now you actually just do the math. It says 18 is 2 times 15 is 30 minus 12. 30 minus 12 is 18. 18 is 18. And see, this is a true statement. So because you came out with a true statement, then you know that yes, he would intercept the cheese or the robo-cheese. So because it made a true statement, the answer is yes, he would intercept the cheese. So I'm just going to write yes. And I think that should be enough. Okay. Next it says, there is a robo-mouse trap located at point T, 1721. And it says, prove whether or not robo-mouse will be utterly and completely destroyed by the robo-trap. Okay, so let me slide down here for you guys and girls. There you go. So same idea. We know the path and we know the point. And we just got to see if when we plug that in, if it creates a true statement. So same idea. Instead of y, I put in 21. There's my 2 for my slope. And instead of x, I'm going to put in 17. And then I just minus 12. Okay. 21 equals, let's see, 2 times 17 is 34 minus 12. And 34 minus 12 is 22. So you have 21 is 22. Well, is 21 22? No, 21 is not 22. So this is not true, which means this point is not on this line, which means happy day, robo-mouse will not be utterly and completely destroyed. How do you write that answer? You could write out robo-mouse will not be utterly completely destroyed. I'm just going to write RB for robo-mouse is safe. Hooray! Happy day. Okay, and there you go. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it in the comments below. And if you want to be notified when more amazing Mathity-Maths coming your way, just subscribe to the channel. Thanks. Bye.